welcome again to Joyful Kitchen Hacks. Now in this video I'm just going to show you quickly how to make this 9-ingredient colorful and tasty Nigerian salad. So we're not going to waste any more time, let's just get right into it. Now all the ingredients we'll need are listed in the description box. Now I'm using frozen sweet corn here. You can use the tinned one if you'd like, but you need to drain the liquid out from the tin and rinse it. So I'm just pouring hot water just so that frozen sweet corn thaws. Now the red kidney beans I'm using in the tin, I'm going to drain that liquid out and rinse the kidney beans. And you want to boil your kidney beans for about 5 minutes just so that it softens up a little bit. Okay? Now the next thing I want to show you is the cabbage that I use. I'm using sweetheart cabbage, not the round white one. The round white one is quite hard, but I'm using the purple round one instead of that white round one. And then the cucumber, you're going to see that I will peel the skin out later. Now you want to go ahead and boil your eggs. Make sure that your eggs are boiled and cool down. Make sure you cool it down. Now as you can see, I've chopped all my ingredients and I'm ready to mix the salad. And last with the beans and the eggs, but everything else can go in first. Now once we're done mixing the salads, we're just going to make a simple dressing to go with it. So that's it.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, click the bell and share with your family, friends and community. Thank you.